So we'll start again. So we're standing here with Adi Roz from the Conservation Department, who's agreed to join us today. Thank you so much for this. And we're starting the tour with the 3 buildings that we chose in Tel Aviv. And tomorrow is going to be the tour of Jaffa. Today we're standing in front of the first house, Bialik 25, right at the heart of Tel Aviv. And Adi is going to take it from here.
Sharon, thank you. And thank you for the invitation. Hi and good morning. So we choose today three buildings of the modernism style in the heart of Tel Aviv. So first of all, I think one of the main important things is to understand what is the modernism about. And we talk about it so much, included yesterday with Jeremy and Orit and Amir. So I just would like to add that from my point of view, modernism is the context